Hi friends, today let's look at the topic do forms. Do forms are helping verbs. They are a kind of helping verbs. Do forms are used for negative sentences, negative imperative sentences, yes no questions, WH questions, and for emphasis. Negative sentences. She did not sleep last night. She did not read the paper yet. She did not watch the show. She did not prepare for the class. Negative imperative sentences. Do not talk during the class. Do not write in the margins. Do not use red ink pen. Do not come late. Yes or no questions. Simple present. Does she drink coffee? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Does he watch news? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Do you live here? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do they own this house? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Do I look good? Yes, you do. No, you don't. Do we have to come? Yes, you do. No, you don't. Simple past. Did she work late? Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Did he complete the degree? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Did they go to the movies? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Did I make a mistake? Yes, you did. No, you didn't. Did you see my work? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did we cross a line? Yes, you did. No, you didn't. WH questions. Simple present. What do you have for lunch? What does she do in the evening? Where does he go for a haircut? Why do I always get it wrong? How do they solve this? How do we get there? Simple past. What did you eat for breakfast? Why did they come? Why did she leave? Where did he go? Where did I keep the book? How did they know? Why didn't we try this before? Emphasis. Did you come to see me? Yes, I did come to see you. Did you take bath? Yes, I did take bath. Did you fill the can? Yes, I did fill the can. Did you pay the bill? Yes, I did pay the bill.